Empirical evidence or clinical data gathered over the last 2 months show 8 out of 10 survive the COVID-19 infection, and that most, if not all, fatalities are the elderly or those with pre-existing medical conditions. PTV correspondent Mark Fitalco reports on the health department's repeated reminder to reinforce our immune systems for increased odds of recovery, and enlightens us over not going bananas over eating plantains as a cure to the viral menace.
The Department of Health reiterated its advice to the public to maintain a strong immune system to fight the coronavirus disease or COVID-19. This amid reports that eating bananas can prevent the transmission of the said disease. Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergere said that there's no scientific evidence to prove it.
Wala pa hong nadidiskubre na gamot para sa COVID-19. So kung sino man po ang mga nakarecover sa atin, they were only provided in the different facilities that they were admitted to ng supportive treatment po. Wala pa hong ebidensya, wala pa hong masusing pag-aaral na makapagbibigay ng hard science or ebidensya para sabihin na talagang bananas will prevent prevent the transmission or prevent a person from having COVID-19. Pero ang sinasabi naman ho natin lagi, ang saging naman po ay mabuti sa katawan.
The number of patients who successfully recovered from COVID-19 in the Philippines rose to 7, and it includes 2 repatriates from the MV Diamond Princess cruise ship in Japan. Patients tagged as PH25 and PH26. However, the DOH also reported 15 new COVID-19 cases, bringing the total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in the country to 202. This also includes the 3 new reported deaths, bringing the total number of fatalities to 17. The eldest among them is patient 160, who is 86 years old, a resident of San Juan City. She died due to septic shock, secondary to high-risk pneumonia, secondary to COVID-19. Before she tested positive for COVID-19, she already had pre-existing conditions like hypertension and heart disease. Meanwhile, the DOH clarified that COVID-19 is not airborne. This is in response to a study in the United States that droplets released when someone coughs or sneezes could still infect people in aerosols for at least 3 hours.
Ito pong artikulong to ay tinutukoy nila ay mga settings ng isang ospital. Katulad po ng lagi nating sinasabi, no, ang sa atin pong ebidensya pa rin hanggang sa ngayon at ang atin pa rin nakukuha base sa ating mga experts, ito pong sakit na COVID-19 is still transmitted through droplet infection and close contact.
Meanwhile, the DOH also warned the public against reports of testing kits being sold in the market. Yusek Vergere said that testing for COVID-19 is only done at the RITM.
Yun pong mga nasa market ngayon, kung sakaling meron, hindi pa ho yan rehistrado ng Food and Drug Administration. So, wag nyo po silang tangkilikin, makinig lang po kayo sa amin. Lalabas na po yung ating mga clearances for various testing kits in the coming weeks. We just need to wait and we just need to be informed.
Mark Fitalco for The Nation.